Welcome to Codedeveloper. Today we see the topic is sequential and random file creation. So already we see the topic the previous session. The first f open of in this function is used for open a stream for use and links a file with that stream. So the data is stored into streamwise. Then f close of in this function is used for to closing the file object if already the file is opened. Then f put c off in this function is used to writing a single character to the file. Then f put s in this function is used for to writing a group of character, that is string, is writing to the file. Then FEOF off is used to indicate end of file when the file is opened for binary operations. Then a rewind off function resets the file position indicator to the beginning of the file. Then fprintf off is used to write any type of informations, that is any type of data type. It support all kind of data types. To an file, fscanf is used to read any type of information from an open file. So fprintf is used for writing the data information, that is all kind of data information to the file. So fscanf function is used for reading the data, that is reading the different kind of data formats from the file. Then ftellof, it is used to indicate the current position of file pointer. Then fseekoff is used to set the position of file pointer which we can decide. So this is an example program. In this file in this type is available from stdio.h header file. It's a file pointer declaration asterisk fp. So first of all, enter your first name. We are getting the name by the help of getters function. Open the file, fp equal to f open of n. So n is called as file name, r is called as read. It is a mode, that is read mode. To check the condition, if fp double equal to null, already file is created means f equal to object is not null. The file is not created means f equal to null. So that the cannot open a file. Then exit of 0. Exit of 0 means exit the program. If the file is already created, so that to continue the program, c equal to 0, the initial value, the content of your file is reading by the help of f getters. Already we have to know. Already I am explained you. Fgetters is used for reading the string from the file. So s is a file, comma 80. So 80 character at a time we are reading 80 character are stored into s variable from the file object, that is fp. Fp is called as, it refers to file pointers. So each time the 80 characters are reading from the file up to not equal to null. So each time the 80 character is stored into s variable, then s is printed. Then c plus plus. So again c value is counting with 1. So the initial value is c equal to 0. So that c equal to c plus 1, 1, 2, 3 up to how many lines. So per line we are getting 80 characters up to how many lines are reading the data. Then total line is c. So total line is example. So 12 or 10, so on. The next one, f put us off. So put us is used to writing the information, that is writing the string to the file. First of all, to open the file, that is a write format. It is a mode, writing mode. Then enter the text. The text is writing till to the end of END. When we are typing END, so that time the loop is executed. So strcmp of get us of yes. So we are getting the string. If the string is end, means to exit the loop. Otherwise to continue. To after that, data can be updated successfully. The next program, f get c of writing a single character. So first of all, to open the file for read mode, then each time we are we are getting the single character from the file, then we are printed. So initial character ch equal to f get c of fp. The first character is stored into ch, then I equal to 0, I less than 80, and ch not equal to end of I. It means up to reaching last end of characters. So s of I equal to ch. The first character should be stored into s of 0 location because of I value 0. ch equal to get f get s get c of. So again we are reading a next character. The next character should be stored into ch, then increment the variable, the character not equal to just we are check the character is not equal to null, that is not equal to end of file. If reach the end of file means that is a last character means to exit the loop, then after s of I equal to /0, it means the last character is assigned to null character. Then f printf, printf of we are printing the s value. Already each character reading and storing the informations. Then after that to print s variable. Then f put c of reading a character from the file. First of all, f put c. So writing a character to the file. So using w. So w is called as writing mode. Then for p equal to str ptr. So str ptr means p equal to initial value 0, asterisk p not equal to null. We are that is not equal to null means up to last character. The data should be reading up to the last character. In this example is used for f printf. That is first we are reading a number, then second one name, then third one salary. Then f printf of the data should be writing to the fp, that is the number is stored into fp variable, that is fp object. Then the name is stored into fp object. Then again the salary is stored into fp object. After that, successfully created. So append the data to an existing file. How to appending the data? Hereafter a is called as appending. So fp equal to the appending means if already file is exist means the file is opened. After that the data should be writing to the last one. First of all, enter the name, enter the number, then you enter the name, then you enter the salary. All the data should be writing, that is appending to the fp object. So random file creation. First of all, to define the structure, whatever it may be, we are defining all kind of data members into the structures. Then after, here we are using 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 menus. If you are using, if your choice, the first one means adding records. Number 2 is view records. Number 3 is called as delete a record. Number 4, modify record. Number 5, terminate the program. If you choose the choice number 1 means switch off ch, that is execute add record of functions. So add record function is here. First of all, to create a structure variable by using struct is a keyword, is a electronic, is a structure variable, that is structure name. Then R is a structure variable. So EB equal to F open of, it is a file name, and append binary mode plus. First of all, we are scanning the information, that is a number, then name, reading and current reading, that is previous reading and current reading. In all, information are stored into the structure. Then after, we are writing the data, that is ampersand R is the address of structure. Then we are analyzing the size of R. So total size of the structure, comma, at a time we are writing one data to the EB, that is a file object name. Then F flush of stdin, that is to remove the unwanted spaces from the file object. Add another record if you are using Y means to continue again, otherwise to exit. If you are using number 2 means view records, that is to call case 2 view records. So view records, first of all, RB plus, it is a read binary mode plus. So in this mode is used for read the data from the eb.dat file. Here, while of fread function, reading the data from the file up to starting to ending, that is not equal to null. So not equal to null means up to last record. The data should be reading from the file, then after to store the information to the structure, then we are display on the screen. So it is a flow. Read the data from the file to the structure, then after to print the output screen. If you are using 3 means deleting the records. So WB plus, that is a write binary mode plus, it is a temporary file object, and EB, it is a first one, that is in this file object we have a lot of information already we have to enter. So in this file we are reading and writing the data to the temporary mode. First of all, enter the number to delete. So enter the number, then reading up to first to last record. In each record we have to check our current number and the number is available from the file to checking. The file is, if the number is found means the data should be copied to the temporary mode, otherwise to exit the program. Then modify the records also. How to modify the records? Here already it is based on the number, the service number. Then preprocessor directive. So preprocessor directive are instructions given to the compiler. They begin with a hash sign and can be placed anywhere in the program, but actually they are placed in the beginning of a program. So some of the preprocessor directives: hash if def, hash indef, hash else, hash elif, that is else if, then hash include, hash define, then hash untef. Hash define. The hash define directive contains two parts: an identifier, a string that is to be substituted for the identifier each time the identifier is encountered in the source file. Syntax: hash define identifier string. The identifier and string are separated by a space. The identifier can be referred to as the macro name and the string as the macro substitution. The constant keyword can be used to achieve almost the same effect as hash define. When creating constants, variables of type constant can be given an initial value but cannot be changed through the program. Example: CONST is a keyword, integer is a data type, variable equal to 35. It is the initial value. It should not be changed during runtime. Thank you.